Hello, my name is Simone. I'm from Happy Hubble. We have 3 kids with autism, and one of the products that works really well for our kids is the Calm Down Kits. The idea of the Calm Down Kit is that you can pop a couple of items into your baggie and head off anywhere that you might need it. Say, just leave it in your bag at all times. You might need it for the dentist appointment, Christmas Day, just going out, or a long car trip. Our kids actually have theirs in their bags all the time. We've actually got one in the car. It's good to have a couple of different Calm Down Kits because you never know when you're going to need it. This is the Awesome Calm Down Kit for girls. This one here, the Awesome Kits are the only ones that have our silent timers, which is the best thing I've ever bought for our kids. It's absolutely fantastic. The idea is you set it for, say, how long is the car trip, how long until we're leaving, you know, if we're fighting over something, you know, that's it, 5 minutes each, you know. So we use this for so many different things. Nice little sound. We've got the sensory balloons, which are nice and soft and squishy. The girls kit has the scratch paper, the magic puzzle stick, really, really popular. We've got the dinosaur balloon ball, really satisfying. These little eyes, googly eyes. Now the mice and cheese kit, one of the best things we've ever sold. We sell heaps of these. They're nice and squishy, stretchy. You can pull the mice out. You can stick them into anywhere. They're cute. They feel fantastic. We've got a stress ball and a lovely water orbs brain ball, which, I mean, my kids just sit there all day fiddling with it. So these are lovely, a nice little selection. The idea is, yep, you just grab a couple of things and you stick it in your bag ready to go out. The next day, if you want, you can change it around. Yes, this is my awesome Calm Down Kit for girls. Thank you very much for listening. You're welcome to visit my online store at happyhubble.com.au. Thank you very much. Have a lovely day.